Hi there! Do you know that due to the carbon accumulation in your car engine, the performance level and efficiency of the engine and its parts like engine valve, piston, EGR valve, catalytic converter, spark plug and exhaust pipe goes down? Your car starts using more petrol or diesel due to carbon buildup in your engine. It also increases emissions of harmful gas and hence does more pollution than before. Carbon buildup in engines can also result in expensive repairs of the engine and its parts. The reasons of carbon buildup in your vehicle can be stop and go in traffic, bad roads, speed bumps, using bad quality engine oil and also bad quality petrol or diesel. So what is the solution for this problem? Introducing It takes care of your engine health and transforms your engine as new. This process will get rid of all the accumulated carbon in just 30 minutes. Now let's see how it's done. As soon as the hydrogen gas produced by the machine comes in contact with the carbon deposits, it breaks the carbon into smaller molecules and cleans the surface completely. It cleans all parts like engine valves, combustion chamber, cylinder head, spark plug, EGR valve, catalytic converter, turbo and the exhaust. This process will get rid of all the accumulated carbon in just 30 minutes.
Taking away the carbon allows the engine to breathe more easily, restoring power and performance, lowering emissions and revitalizing fuel efficiency. It's all about getting back what you've lost over time. The service takes around 30 minutes and is suitable for any petrol, diesel or LPG engine from lawnmowers, cars and trucks, to farm machinery, boats and power generators.